Good morning, dear children. This is teacher Shubhangi and we are going to learn chapter number 2, that is angle. So let me share my screen with you. Okay. Now here, chapter number 2, angles. As the introduction we have done. Okay, but uh, do a small revision on it. What is mean by angle? So angle means when two rays, okay, when two rays join to give the vertex, okay. For example, if this is one of the ray, and yes, 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 teacher. Hello.
Teacher, your
What
voice
happened,
is
children? Is
breaking.
my voice is not clear? Okay, here name of the angle. Okay, name of the angle. So here name of angle is angle PYR. Angle PYR. Your Y should be in middle. Y should be in middle. Is this Y? That Y should be in middle. Okay, Y should be in middle. Okay. Now you can say angle RYP, or else you can say angle PYR. ओके आप कहीं से भी शुरुआत कर सकते हो, बट दिस y शुड बी इन मिडल. ये y जो है वो मिडल में आना चाहिए. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस एंगल. ओके, हियर विच इज द मिडल एंगल m. तो आपका m जो है वो मिडल में आएगा, राइट. एंगल LMN, or you can say angle NML. Okay, or NML. Next one is here middle angle is O. So your middle angle should be in between B and S. B and S. So angle BOS, or else you can say angle SOB. आप कहीं से भी start करो, but this letter should be in middle. This letter should be in middle. This letter should be in middle. Okay. So angle P by R, this is angle P by R, this is angle LMN, this is angle BOS. Clear everyone? Now here, vertex of an angle. So I would like to unmute. I would like to Kinjal. Okay, Kinjal.
Yes,
No.
teacher.
Okay, now here, which is the vertex? In this diagram, which is the vertex?
Why?
Y. Y is the vertex. Why Y is the vertex, beta?
Because Y is in middle.
Y is in middle. And why? This ray P, YR and ray YP, ये जो YP है और YR है, these are joined by vertex Y. Okay, so that's why vertex of an angle is Y. Vertex of an angle is what? Y.
Y.
Very good. Okay. Now next, I would like to unmute Ria. Ria. Yes, Ria. Unmute yourself, beta. Okay. Prathamesh. Prathamesh.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, in this diagram, in this, sorry. In this diagram, which is the vertex, beta? Vertex of an angle?
M.
M. M is the vertex. Why M is the vertex?
Teacher, M is in the middle.
M is in middle, and ray LM and ray MN. Both the rays are joined by letter M. Vertex M. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now next is Lalit. Lalit, unmute yourself.
Teacher.
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Other students, mute
Teacher, your
yourself.
voice is not.
Yes, Lalit.
Teacher,
Huh?
yes, teacher.
in angle BOS, which is the vertex?
O.
O is the vertex. Now you only tell me this in this diagram, what are the arms of an angle?
Teacher, your
Arms.
voice is breaking. PY,
Here,
RY. PY and
RY.
RY.
Yes, mute yourself, beta. Very good. So in this diagram, if you can observe this diagram, now in this diagram, if this is a diagram, so in this diagram, if this is Y, if this is P, and if this is R, so PY and RY. Okay? So this is arm of the angle is what? Arm means what? The rays. Arm means what? Rays. So in this diagram, PY is one of the arm and YR is another arm. Okay, so arm of an angle is what? Arm YR. Okay, arm PY and arm YR. Okay, so arms of an angle PYR is PY and YR. Now in this diagram, Anshika, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now in this diagram, what are the arms of an angle element?
Point M.
Arms of an angle.
Arms L and N.
What?
L and L. N.
No. So we'll ask some other students to unmute. Everyone, please be attentive, beta. It's not so
No,
difficult.
sorry, teacher.
Yes, Hiten, I have unmuted you. Yes,
Yes,
Hiten.
teacher.
Yes, arms of an angle. What are the arms of an angle? Element.
L, M, N,
Yes.
M.
MN. Very good. So what are the arms of an angle? LM.
M,
Means first of all this arm LM
yes,
and then
N, M.
MN. Okay. So what are the arms of an angle? LM and MN. Okay. Now here everyone please pay attention. This is angle PYR. This is angle LMN. This is angle BOS. Okay. Now
Yes,
vertex of an angle means what? Y is the vertex here, M is the vertex here, O is the vertex.
Yes.
Okay, now arms of an angle means what? Here PY is arm, YR is the arm. Here LM is the arm, MN is the arm. Here OB is an arm, here OS is an arm. Okay, everyone understood till this? Yes? If yes, show me a big thumbs up. Yes, very good, very good. Very nice. Okay, everyone understood till this? What are arms? Yes, Janvi, understood? Janvi Singh? Okay. Be attentive, everyone. This is very interesting, yes? Tara, understood? Harsh, understood? Okay. Now next is different types of angles. Okay, different types of angles. So we have to learn 7 types of angles. That is zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Okay, so how many types of angle we need to learn? Zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Okay, so we need to learn these kinds of angles. So first of all, we are going to learn about zero angle. What is meant by zero angle? Now here, some different types of angles are given in this case. So we are going to learn one by one. Okay. Now acute angle means what? If an angle is less than 90 degree. For example, if this is one of the arm and this is another arm. So this angle is less than 90 degree. Okay, less than 90 degree. So we can easily see that this angle is less than 90 degree. So an angle which is less than 90 degree is known as acute angle, Now, angle which is exactly of 90 degree. Okay, this sign shows an angle is of 90 degree. So the angle which is on exactly 90 degree is known as right angle, Angle less than 90 degree, acute angle, angle which is on 90 degree, right angle. Now next is an angle which seems more than 90 degree, means 100, 110, 150. Okay, these kinds of angles are of obtuse angle. These kinds of angles is known as obtuse angle. Okay. Now, how many types of angle we have seen? We have seen angle less than 90 degree, which is acute angle which is exactly 90 degree, right angle which is more than 90 degree, obtuse angle. Now, obtuse angle, obtuse angle hai, but when this angle move to this side, for example, if this is straight line, okay, and this is your point, okay, जब भी ये angle, for example, if it is right angle, अगर ये tilt हो गया यहाँ पे और आ गया straight line पे, if two rays makes a straight line, these angle are known as straight angle, straight line, straight angle, straight line, straight angle. Now straight angle is of 180 degree. Straight angle कितने डिग्री का होता है? 180 degree का. Okay. Now we have seen acute angle which is less than 90 degree. Now everyone tell me, if my angle measures is of 55 degree, so it comes under which type of angle? Let me know in chat box. If I'll say you angle 55 degree. So this 55 degree comes under which type of angle? Let me know in chat box. Yes, very good. Everyone has given the right answer. So it comes under which type of angle? So it comes under what? Right angle. Sorry, acute angle. It comes under what? Acute angle. So 55 degree comes under acute angle. Now straight angle. After straight angle, when these two lines are, when the angles shows a straight line, so straight line represents 180 degree. So this straight line is for straight angle. Okay, it is of straight angle. Now, if your angle moves down, so that time it becomes tilted to down. Okay, so when it tilt to downward direction, okay, means when your angle is looking like this, okay, so this is known as reflex angle, which is more than 180 but less than 360 degree. Okay, reflex angle means what? Your angle is more than 180 degree. If this is an angle, if this is like this, so acute. If this is like this, right. If this is like this, obtuse. If this is like this, straight. But straight होने के बाद अगर वो tilt यहाँ पे होता है, which is less than 360 but greater than 180. For example, 270, 190, 220. So these kinds of angles are of reflex angle. So it measures more than 180. Okay, so this angle is known as reflex angle. Now वो घूमते 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 वापस से अपनी जगह पे आता है. Okay, so this is known as when these kinds of sign is there. Okay, so this measures 360 degree and it is known as complete angle. It completes its journey and come back to its original state. So this is known as complete angle. This is known as complete angle. When it completes its journey and come back to its original position and it complete all its angle. Okay. So this is known as, this angle is of 360 degree and it is known as complete angle. Now when ये एंगल जब भी कहीं पे भी मूव नहीं होता है, when it doesn't move and remain, just a minute, if this is one of the ray of an angle, okay, and another ray of an angle will lie to on this line only, both the lines, both the arms will be at the own position, एक ही direction में, एक ही position में है, it doesn't move. Okay, so this is known as zero angle. Don't get confused in between zero angle and complete angle. Zero angle is looking like this only, क्योंकि वो कहीं पे भी नहीं हिला है. But complete angle shows this sign. Okay, complete angle shows this sign. This is of 0 degree and this is of 360 degree. Okay, this angle is of 0 degree and this angle is of 360 degree. So 0 degree, 0 angle, 360 degree, complete angle. I hope everyone understood till this. Yes, 0 degree, 0 angle, 360 degree, complete angle. Okay, just look at it. Look at this. So acute angle means when in your home clock is there. At your home clock is there. Okay. Now in this clock, if it see that 2 o'clock is there. Okay. So this makes an acute angle. This makes an acute angle. Okay. Now if in your clock 3 o'clock will be there, so 3 o'clock makes right angle. If 9 o'clock is also there, then that time also it is right angle. Now if 5 o'clock is there in your clock, so this makes this kind of angle. Okay, means more than 90 degree, and this is obtuse angle. When exactly 6 o'clock is there, exactly 6 o'clock, so this makes straight line. Straight line makes straight angle. Straight line makes straight angle. Now, if it completes, if 8 o'clock is there, mean it completes its journey from 12 o'clock to, just a minute, from 12 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Okay, जब ऐसा साइन रहेगा बाहर से, see अगर obtuse angle रहता है ना, तो साइन अंदर से रहता है. If reflex angle is there, so साइन बाहर से रहेगा. Reflex angle में साइन बाहर से रहेगा, acute में साइन अंदर से रहेगा. So if the sign is 5 o'clock में देखो inside है sign, so this is obtuse angle. 8 o'clock में outside से है, so this is reflex angle. Now what is complete angle? जब भी 12 o'clock होने के बाद 12 o'clock में आता है, that means it complete its journey and come back to its original state. So this makes 360 degree angle, and this is known as complete angle. Okay, I hope everyone understood till this. Yes. Now let's move to another slide. Now this is an evaluation. 2 opposite rays makes a dash angle. Everyone will give me answer in chat box. 2 opposite rays. 2 opposite rays means one of this ray and another ray. These 2 opposite rays makes a dash angle. Okay. Two opposite rays makes a dash angle. Okay, Riya good, Archana good, Srishti, Ayush, Janvi, Shreya, Riddhi, everyone is giving right answer. It makes a straight angle. See, in this case, if 2 opposite rays are there, so 2 opposite rays makes a straight angle, makes a straight and good observation. Okay. Okay. Good observation. And you are sitting very well. Very good. Now an angle less than 90 degree, an angle less than 90 degree, sorry, less than 180, but more than 90. 180 से नीचे है, but more than 90 degree. An angle which is less than 180, but more than 90 degree. It is known as. Very good, Krutika. Mercy. Sachi, very nice. An angle which is more. An angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, that is known as. Very good. Haripriya, Ayush, Aryan, Riya, Arnav, Ishwari, Sandeep, Antara, Ruchi. Ruchi, you're wrong, beta. Archana, Mercy, Abhay, Riddhi, you're also wrong. Kimaya, wrong. Srishti, right. Durva, right. Sarthak, Archana, Sandeep, right. Aryan, you are also right. Okay, some students have given the wrong answer. So just a minute. Let me again share my screen. So here we were, an angle less than 90 degree. See, if an angle which is less than 90, less than 180, मतलब 180 से कम है, but more than 90 degree. If it is 90 degree and if it is 180 degree. So 90 से ऊपर है means obtuse, but less than 180 degree. So it is obtuse angle, which is less than 180. 180 से कम है, but more than 90 degree. So this is known as obtuse. This is known as obtuse angle. So which option is of the students have given the right answer? Students were wrong, but do it this time. An angle less than 90 degree but more than 0. Less than 90 but more than 0. Let me know in chat box. Less than 90 but more than 0. So this time let me check who is given. Aniket, correct. Kinjal, Shreya, Ruchi, Srishti, Arya, Faizan, Haripriya, Harshal, Shravani, Aryan, Krutika, Durva, Sachi, Elvidge, Riya. Everyone, this time everyone has given the right answer. More than 0 degree, but less than 90 degree. This is known as acute angle. Everyone is given right answer except Aryan Matondkar. It is not right angle, beta. It is less than 90. Less than 90 means what? Acute angle. Less than 90 means what? Acute angle. Other students have given exactly. Ayush, but even you are right. Okay. Other students have given right answer. Archana, correct. Okay. Now, next is an angle less than 360 but more than 180 degree. Less than 360, for example, an angle less than 360, 360 से कम है but more than 180, 180 से ज़्यादा है, but less than 360. So this angle is known as an angle less than 360 but more than 180 degree. This angle, for example, it is less than 360 means, for example, 270 रहेगा, but more than 180. So 270 किसमें आएगा? Whether obtuse, straight, reflex, complete. Let me know in chat box. Very good, Durva. Durva, Aniket, very nice. Everyone is giving right answer and everyone is attentive. I am so happy with you, everyone. 6 CD students are very nice. Okay, reflex angle. It is known as reflex angle as it is less than 360 but more than 180 degree. So this angle is known as reflex angle. So let's move to another. Now come back to our practice set 2. Measure of an angle is given in one of the column and type of angle is given in another angle. Okay. Now here we need to know that, see here, match the following. Okay. Here match the following. Now 180 degree. 180 degree is zero angle, straight angle, reflex angle or complete angle. So let me, sorry, unmute Arnav. Arnav, unmute yourself and tell me 180 degrees of which angle?
Teacher, straight angle.
Straight angle. 180 degrees, straight angle. Very good. Mute yourself.
Thank you,
Next
teacher.
one. Okay, next one I'll ask. Swarna, unmute yourself and let me know which type of angle it is. 240 degree. 240 degrees of which angle? Whether it is zero, straight, reflex or complete.
Reflex
Yes. Reflex angle as it is more than 180, less than 360. More than 180, less than 360. So it is reflex angle. Very good. Okay, now for third question, I will ask Haripriya. Haripriya, unmute yourself and help us to do with this.
Yes, teacher.
360 degrees of zero, straight, reflex, complete.
360 degree complete angle.
Complete angle. Okay, 360 degree complete angle. Very good. Okay, now mute yourself and now Ashutosh. Ashutosh, unmute yourself and let me know which kind
Yes,
of
teacher.
angle it is. 0 degrees of which angle?
Zero,
Zero. Name itself indicates 0 degree, zero angle.
zero
Very good.
angle.
Okay, now mute yourself. Now
Okay,
next
teacher.
is the measure of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. Now I will unmute. Shrinjal, unmute yourself and help us to do with this. Which kind of angle it is? Which type of angle it is?
Teacher, acute angle.
Acute angle. 75 is less than 90 degree, right? So
Yes.
it is known as acute angle. The angle which is less than 90 degree is acute angle. Very good. Now mute yourself. Everyone is giving right answer fast. Very nice. Krutika, unmute yourself
Yes,
and
teacher.
help us to do with this 215
Reflex angles
reflex angle. Why?
because it is 215.
It
It
is
is-
more than 180. It is
Yes.
more than 180. So it is reflex angle. Well done. Good. Mute yourself. Now Samruddhi. Samruddhi, unmute yourself and help us to do with this. 180 degree.
180 degree straight angle, teacher.
180 degree straight angle. Okay, 180 degree straight angle. Very good. Okay, now mute yourself. Now Abhay, unmute yourself and tell me
टीचर को आवाज जा रहा है
148
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle more than 90, less than 180. Obtuse angle. Very good. You're such a bright students. Durva, unmute yourself and help us to do with this 0 degree.
zero angle
0 degree, zero angle and 360 degree.
360.
Yes, 360 degree. Fast.
complete angle
Complete angle 360 degree complete. 0 degree, zero angle, 360 degree complete angle. Very nice. Okay, now next. Samyak, unmute yourself and let me know about 120 degree. 120 degree, Samyak. Okay. Ruchi, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Help us.
teacher.
Okay, help us to do with this 120 degree.
120 degree.
Yes, tell me first. See how other students have given answers first.
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle, because it is more than 90 degrees. So it is, and less than 180 degrees. So it is obtuse angle. Very good. Now next is Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, unmute yourself
Yes, teacher.
and help us to do with this.
Yes.
90 degree,
Right angle.
90 degree, right angle. 90 degree what? Right angle. Very nice. Mute yourself now. Okay, everyone is given the right answer. So question 1 and question 2 is done. Okay, now question number 3. Look at the figure below and write the type of each of the angle. Okay, type of each of the angle. Look at the figure below and write the type of each of the angle. Now, which type of angle it is? Now, I would like to ask Akshita.
Yes, teacher.
I have unmuted you. Unmute yourself. Okay,
Yes,
which kind of
teacher.
angle you can see this? Which
Teacher,
type
right
of angle
angle.
it is?
Right.
No.
No, teacher, acute angle.
Acute angle. It is not looking like right angle. Okay, it
Yes,
is looking
teacher.
less than 90 degree. Less
Yes.
than 90 degree means acute angle.
Acute angle.
Okay,
Thank you.
understood now?
Yes, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Okay, Ria, unmute yourself. Ria,
Yes.
which type of angle it is? Can you see this type of angle? Okay, now next is Antara, unmute yourself.
Hello, teacher.
Yes,
I am audible. Right angle.
it is right angle. How you can identify that this is a right angle?
Teacher, because that is straight.
That is straight, and especially this sign.
Yes.
ठीक है, ये वाला sign जो है वो right angle में ही रहता है. So it
Yes.
it looks straight, and this sign, because of this sign we can identify that this is a right angle.
Right angle.
Okay. Okay, now mute
Yes.
yourself. Yes, very good. Good observation. Now, who is left? Dhruvi. Dhruvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Which type of angle it is?
It's obtuse angle.
It looks like obtuse angle, but if you observe my lecture carefully, I have already told you that if this kind of angle is there, अगर वो sign अंदर से होगा from inside, so this is obtuse. अगर ये बाहर से होता है, okay, so बाहर से अगर sign होता है, तो this is reflect angle. See if you invert that angle, so it looks like this. And this is arrow. This arrow represent. It is a reflex angle. Okay, see. If you can see this angle clearly, so this arrow represent that it is a reflex angle. Okay, ये arrow क्या represent करता है? Reflex angle. Okay, now mute yourself. Understood everyone कि ये reflex angle कैसे है? The sign is from outside. Whenever the sign is from outside, this represent that the angle is not obtuse, it is reflex. Okay, which is less than 360 but more than 180 degree. Now, Evelyn Pinto. Unmute yourself, beta. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Can you see this diagram?
It's
Which
straight
type of angle
angle.
it is? Straight angle. Okay, straight line, straight
Straight
angle. Good.
angle.
Okay. Now mute yourself. Now next is Vedant. Vedant,
Yes, teacher.
can you see this angle? Which type of angle it is?
Complete angle.
Okay. Aradhya, unmute yourself. Aradhya. Okay. Priyal. Priyal, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher. I'm
Help us to do with this.
Teacher, that is zero angle.
Zero angle, not complete angle. How it is zero, beta?
Teacher, because the sign is not there.
Okay, good. So it means what?